All right, finished the day today. Left Canal to Homestead, called in a couple of roadhouses, and then we've ended up at Cactus Beach. So look at this. So in the first caravan park area, absolutely no one. Got it all to ourselves. There's a little kitchen there and an outdoor shower, and then there's a fire area just over there, and then there's a proper toilet, flushing toilet. And then look at us all set up here. A little bit blowy, but that's fine. 2 nights we're going to do. There's a 200 series going beautifully. What about the Elros? Look at that. Got the awning all set up. Got it even on a slope for runoff. We've become little champions at it now. Bit dusty. We've done probably 400 k's on the dirt so far. So we're set up. Got the fridge in the back of the car. Little pie oven. Got the Weber set up, and then our table and chairs outside. So we're very well set up. Looking forward to tonight, and then we'll spend a day out tomorrow. So we'll get back to you tomorrow, see what we're doing, see if we can spot any big white pointers out there. There's a walk up to the beach over there. Okay, until then.